Today, I'll tell you a story from Ramayana. This was back when Rama was 16 years old, completed his training in Gurukul, and came back to Ayodhya. One day, Vishwamitra Maharshi visited Ayodhya. So, after the welcoming rituals and all, he said to Dashrath Maharaj that he needed a help from him. Without a second thought, Dashrath Maharaj said, I'll give you whatever you ask for, and this is my word. So, Vashishta Maharshi, who was Kulaguru of Dashrath Maharaj, has warned him many times not to promise impulsively as it might land him in a great trouble one day. However, Dashrath Maharaj didn't listen. So, Vishwamitra Maharshi said the Rakshasas are causing too much trouble. They are destroying the yagas, troubling the common people. I did my best to guard the people. However, this time they crossed all the limits. And now we need to punish them. And for that, I need a powerful warrior. And in my mind, Rama is the one. So I request you to send Rama with me to punish those Rakshasas. Dashrath Maharaj's heart almost skipped a beat. He was afraid that this might harm Rama. So he refused. Then Vishwamitra and Vashishta Maharshi explained to the king, saying Rama has a lot of potential in him, but it will only come out when he explores the world and faces tough situations. Your overprotectiveness and insecurities are holding back Rama from growing. We all know what Rama means to you. However, if you truly love him, you should nurture him, not hold him back. If you want your son to be great, teach him how to be great and give him the space to grow. And today, we all look up to Lord Rama for his greatness. He became who he became only because of the tough situations he faced. So sometimes we need to walk the tough path to shine. And as parents, partner, or loved ones, we need to support and give them the space to grow, but not restrict them or hold them back in the name of love.